One of the most striking things that we have noticed today in the discussions with all kinds of people involved is that people are very optimistic about new applications of securitization techniques. While we see that there is not that much development currently in the traditional markets like true sale, RMBS, there's a lot of talk about other asset classes, about synthetic securitizations, about ABCP, about possibility to do full stack capital relief transactions. So the traditional, let's say, funding RMBS transaction still is important, but people are especially optimistic about developments in those surrounding project categories, I would say.
The proposals are misaligned. My recommendation is that the regulator should try to find a better alignment of those proposals in order to create less uncertainty for the market and to optimally revive the securitization markets.
Well, I think for many reasons it's important to come together here today. There's a lot going on in the market. Looking at origination of assets, more in particular looking at consumer credit, mortgages and unsecured credit, a growing market with several new entrants entering the market, but also existing players in the market, banks, insurance companies looking at their balance sheets, banks looking at how they can deleverage their balance sheets, insurance companies looking at how they can also invest in assets bringing the necessary yield to their balance sheets. One of the most important developments is indeed the banks trying to reshuffle their balance sheet and the solutions they are looking for, trying to maintain the customer database, the customer contact, but on the other side trying to find smart solutions to reform, to reshuffle their balance sheets in order to prepare themselves for the future.